All right, what's going on, guys? My name is Jalen Crawford. I am a physical ed major, and I'm going to teach you guys on how to use the app Nearpod. So here we go. Easy. So I'm already logged in, so just click on Safari here. And all right, so Nearpod is basically just another technology app that teachers can use, and it's really simple. It's really easy to use. It's quick. Really, I think it is something that students would like and students would enjoy doing. Definitely, if the education system went in a more technology direction than it already is, to where there are iPads in every class, or teachers can post their quizzes and discussions and different things like that on here to where kids can access them through their laptops at home or through their computers at home, and or even on their phone. I think this is just a easier way for teachers to do things. So first, we'll go on here, and so first I did a quiz. Yeah, I created a little quiz or whatever. So right here, so you'd go here and you would click on the quiz, and going through here you would show how to create a quiz. So I'll show you guys mine. So you'll go here and you'll go to live lessons. So this is basically once the student or teacher clicks on this, like the lesson and things will go live on it. So there you are. It's gonna take us to our next screen. Shows where our students can join this app. All right, and time to climb. Nearpod settings. Okay, cool. Doesn't matter. All right, so basically, like if I had students would go here, and you'd wait for all of your students to get there, and once everybody gets there, then teacher, you click start, and it'll go to the quiz, or it'll go to the lesson plan that you have up. So we'll go back. Yeah, cool. So we'll go back, and then I also did a discussion. So we'll go here to discussion. Yes, I do want to go to active discussion. All right, so here, so the student would just click on start activity. So with mine, since I'm a physical ed major, I put the timer at 5 minutes. So as soon as the students will click on it, it'll go bam, 5 minutes will start. And so the students will read whatever the brainstorming idea is for the day, or whatever the bell ringer is for the day, or whatever they have. So mine is for today's discussion. I want my students to discuss what they enjoy about working out. Definitely during this time of coronavirus and everybody stuck inside and all that crazy stuff, just to see what these guys enjoy about working out and how they feel about it. So the students would just have 4 5 minutes before class to write out, a couple sentences, 2 3 sentences about what they enjoy about working out. And then after that, I would have my students get up and perform them in front of the class, just to always keep things engaged. I really enjoy that about school, so that's what I would do. But yeah, on Nearpod you can do that easily, just creating a little slight discussion and then posting it. And then as soon as your class starts, or your students get into your class, you can just tell them, hey, pull your iPads out, put your phones out, go to Nearpod and click on the bell ringer for the day, and they can go do that. And then bam, your class has started. You can do different things like that. Also, what I liked about the Nearpod app is that you can actually go, if you're a teacher, and you can go find different lesson plans. They have different lesson plans for teachers in every field, honestly, as you can see: ELA, math, social studies, health, life skills, anything like that. Mine, I would pick high school because I want to be in high school, so I go to high school. And right here, as you can see, it is, everything 9 through 12, about anything that you want to think of, or whatever it is. And they have everything on here. Some of these are free, so I would definitely use the free ones. I wouldn't use a paying one because that's ridiculous when you can just use a free one. But yeah, it literally has everything on here that you could possibly need for a class. and I think that that is really cool and is really easy to use. So yeah, so guys, this is Nearpod, the Nearpod app, and I'm glad you guys watched and appreciate you guys. Y'all have a good one.